So that's it. Also, if you go to your music, here we go. Look at the bottom there. I'm going to turn that down, but if you look at the bottom there, the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles, you'll see it's just playing an audio book at the moment. iPhone or Land Rover, but we're on Land Rover. Go back to the record that's playing. I'll click play. Over to the system, we click audio here. Now audio, it's actually on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it away from there, and then we'll go back. We'll go back. So we'll do that again. We're wanting to play a record. I don't want to show you that because it's too easy. If it's set on something else, you might not know what to do. So if it is set on something else, so we click play. We go over to the system, we play audio video, click audio video. As you can see there, auxiliary selected, and radio, DAB radio, source. Now there's a plus next to source. We click just on the plus, and then it gives you more. From that source, you can play USB, stored CDs, DVD and CD, iPod, or my phone, like so. I'm going to turn that up. That's it. That's how you stream audio.